Welcome to the Game Design Challenge, brought to you by Dell Technologies, Alienware, and Microsoft. This challenge is hosted by Legends of Learning and the International Game Developers Association. This month-long challenge consists of 4 lessons to teach you about the game development process. This is the final lesson in the 4-part series to help you design and develop your first game. In this lesson, you will bring together your projects to playtest, provide feedback, and finalize them. You will be also practicing accepting and providing constructive criticism. You should have all of your materials from last week, your completed first draft projects, and Appendix A, the game feedback form, Appendix C, the game feedback collection, and optionally Appendix D, information about submitting to the game design contest. First of all, congratulations on your hard efforts so far. Bringing your own ideas to life is a challenging process, especially when you're working with others. Throughout these lessons, you have designed, planned, and created a game. We will now be focusing on making this game the best it can be, and that requires one important tool that you can't do on your own: feedback. Today, we'll be playtesting each other's games. If you do not have another team that is working with you, ask your parents, guardians, or friends to playtest your game. And playtest a game that you are familiar with to practice your own constructive criticism skills. Playtesting is allowing a person to play your game while observing their interactions and feedback. It's watching what they do, watching how they interact with it. The intent of playtesting is to understand the parts of your game that are fun or that are particularly hard or confusing. Playtesting is an important part of the development process, as it helps developers understand how players will interact with their creation and any problems that it might have. Constructive criticism is a helpful way of giving feedback that provides specific, actionable suggestions. Constructive criticism is beneficial no matter what you decide to do with your life. So, for examples of bad feedback, this would be like, "That character looks ugly," or "This gameplay isn't fun." However, constructive criticism examples would be, "This character is easier to see if there'd be a brighter color. I don't feel like I'm being rewarded for my actions." You should spend 5 to 10 minutes having your game playtested or playtesting and record any helpful feedback and constructive criticism. After the session, please write down any additional observations that you have had and you were able to record during the playtest. Consider things such as, did the playtester find any interactions unexpected? What challenges and misunderstandings did the players face? And how could you use this feedback to improve your game? After you are done recording these, write 2 or 3 improvements that could be made to your game based on the feedback that you received and what you saw. Finally, it's now time to work on finalizing and polishing your game based on this feedback. When you're happy with the state of your game, you're done. You can submit it to the game design contest using the instructions on Appendix D. And congratulations on your hard work. I wish you all the best of luck, and I hope you've enjoyed making a game.